All right, we're continuing on our journey of creating our stars. They're just like us layout. Hey, friends, question for you first. Have you saved yet? Because you might be sitting here not having saved your work. It's a really important time to save because what if something happened right now? So, hey, let's save. If you're working on this project in my classroom and it's the year 2023, make sure that you go to File, Save As, and save your Photoshop file into ThawSpace. Because if you save it anywhere else on this computer, it will disappear when the computer is restarted. All right, thanks for listening to our sponsorship PSA about saving. Let's get down to business. Got my layout here. I'd like to add the classic stars, they're just like us text. So that's going to involve some captions and then some pop outs like they pick flowers, they bargain shop, they fish for lunch, whatever. Okay, let's get started. Let's do the captions first. Hopefully you've watched my previous amazing video about Photoshop text basics and also Photoshop and shapes. If not, you're missing out. Let's do this. We're going to grab our text tool. I'm going to start with Mr. Cruz up here, and I'm going to click. Now, let's say, for example, that you click and your text looks like this. Remain calm, right? Just change that text size down to something that works for you. You can always pick a different font. I'm going to stick with the color black because that is mimicking the style of Us Weekly's page. Okay, here we go. So, watch me type, folks. Tom preps dinner for the cast, and I'm going to press enter. Crew of capital MI 12. What a guy, right? You could leave the layout like that if you want. I think I'm going to just click up in here after the word the, press enter. You're just getting to watch me clean this up a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. Photoshop text tool, I don't think it's very awesome, but hey, we want text, so we're going to make it happen, right? So I've got that going. You can do the same on the other images. I won't make you watch me type in all the text. It's not that much fun. So I'll be back in a second with some captions. Okay, so I've got my amazing captions, but let's add those pop outs, right? So let's get our shape tool first. And I'm going to make the background color of my shape tool just plain old white. So I'm going to go to my color picker, pick a white background color, and drag in a shape. Okay, so I've got my shape there. That's awesome. Now I'm going to go to my text tool, click in here, and I'm going to type in my pop out. Like that. And I'm just going to play around with the font size a little bit. I'm going to center that up in my shape. I think I'll grab the move tool and move that into more of the center. Okay, and I would like to change my text color to something appropriately punchy. Right? Bam. Like that. Okay, I'll click the check mark. Click off of that. I like it. I'm happy with it. I hope you are too. Now, let's get these selected so we can give it a little bit of a tilt, a little bit of a rotate, right? See how it goes. So I'm going to click on the text tool, and then I'm going to hold down the shift key and try to grab that white background. Okay, so now let's work on getting these to be a little bit of a rotated kind of thrilling, exciting angle. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking over here in my left hand or right hand layers panel, And I've got a layer called Rectangle 1. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and click the layer for the text, They Chop. And now you'll notice when I move the pointer outside of the selected area, I can rotate it like that. See that? That is so dynamic. Let's do another one for Tom over here, huh? Super cool. Let's grab our shape tool. I'm going to drag a rough size that I want for my shape. I can always change it, right? I'm going to grab the text tool. I'm going to click in there and I'm going to type in, I don't know how to type. I'm going to type in, they feed us, something like that, right? Super dynamic and exciting again. I think I'm going to resize my, there we go. I'm kind of liking that right there. I'm going to move the text down in the shape. And once again, I'm going to go and look for my layers panel, click on my text layer, hold down the Shift key, click on my rectangle layer. I'm going to rotate that. Look at that. God, stars save our lives. And there you have it, my friends. I'm going to let you enjoy working on your own masterpiece, adding in captions as well as the exciting pop-outs. I can't wait to see what work you put together. Thanks for participating in this Photoshop adventure, and have a great day.